Alright, so I've had a couple people that have asked me about the exhaust on the Mini and how it sounds with the tune and the downpipe and all of that. So I thought I'd do a quick video just to give you an idea of what it sounds like. So this is a 2016 Mini Cooper John Cooper Works. It has an MQubed downpipe and it has an MQubed Stage 2 tune, which I believe is a Maniac tune. And it has the factory, this is the, not the valved exhaust, but the John Cooper Works exhaust. And then the intake is an NM. Alright, I don't want to make my neighbors mad, but if you don't like the pops and bangs, in green mode and in mid mode, it doesn't do it nearly as much. So here's green mode. And that last one was mid mode. So anyway, thank you for watching and have a great day.